back to my channel. This is Teacher Chris, and today I'm going to be guiding you on how to create an e-signature. We all know that e-signature is very useful nowadays in sign documents. So what we are going to use is an Adobe Photoshop CS6. Now, if you don't have this app, I'll be putting down the link below so you can download it. I'll be saving it on my drive. All right, let's go straight to the tutorial. So first thing that we need to have is a picture of our signature. So sorry for the background noise. Okay, so it's like this. You sign your name on a bond paper and then take a picture of it, save it on your desktop. Okay, or anywhere you wanted to save it. On your laptop, of course. So we need to open our app. So I saved it on my drive D. Just click on this portable app and then it will look like this when it's open. Okay, of course we need to open our working file. So how to open it? You can press Ctrl O on your keyboard like this, or you can hit on File on the upper left hand side of your screen and then choose Open. So now just locate your file. I saved it in my desktop as it shows right here. I'll click on my file and then it will eventually open. And then next thing is on your lower right hand side, there's this layer here, background. It says background. Just right click on it and then choose duplicate. Need to duplicate your layer. And then next thing is click on the background again, background layer with the lock sign. Just right click on it and then choose delete. Yes. So now we have another layer. All right. The next step is on your upper left hand side right here. There are list of tools. You have to choose the fourth option, which is the quick selection tool. And then just click on it. And then on your screen, the white background, we need to delete the white background so that the only thing that we can see is our signature. So just click on the white background and then on your keyboard, press delete. Okay, see, it's already deleted. And now to deselect our file, just hit on Control and then letter D as in Delta. Okay, and then select again the white background and then delete again. Control D, select the option, the portion that you wanted to delete, and then hit on delete. There's still more. Right here, delete, and then Control D, select, delete, Control D, select, delete, Control D. And by the way, if you've accidentally deleted a portion that should not be deleted, what you need to do is to undo. How to undo? On your keyboard, just press Control plus Alt plus letter Z, as in zebra. All right? Let's continue deleting this white background. Delete, Control D, delete, and then Control D, up until the only thing that's left is your signature. So that's it. It's so easy. Now, how to save this file? There are two ways. First is on your keyboard, you hit on Control plus Shift plus letter S. Or on your screen, on your upper left hand side, hit on File and then choose Save As. All right, so you just change the file name so you can locate your file easily. I will change this one into my. And then for the format, of course, we need to save it as PNG. Always remember, it should be saved as PNG. Okay, that's it. And then hit on Save. And then another pop-up window will show up. Just leave it as it is. Just hit on OK. And then right here it says it's saving. Just wait for it to be completely saved. Right, that's it. So now let's try to use our e-signature now. Okay, I'll just close this one out. I'll just hit on no for now. I'll minimize this window. I'll open up. Let's use the Word, Microsoft Word. So this one's the center. So I'll try to use. This is not my real name, so it's fine. Let's say I'm gonna be putting my signature, the one that we've made a while ago. I'll click on insert and then picture device. I'll locate my file. It was saved on my desktop. Okay, it's right here, the PNG. I'll hit on this. Oh, it's big, so I'll just resize this one. I'll change the text wrapping to in front of the text, and then okay, I'm gonna zoom this one in. Let's see if it still has its background. So see, it doesn't have anymore because it can override my name. That's it. I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit on like, and don't forget to share and subscribe for another video tutorial. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Keep safe.